Flipping street legal. Like how is this thing street legal, man?
It is.
I know it is. I don't know how it's possible, but yes, sir. Woo! It's scary though, bro. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Lives, aka Motor, bro. Let's go. Smoke coming in hot, boy. What's good, bro? And we flipping outside. We got the three-wheeler outside today. You're gonna see me shred that in a second. But yeah, we getting it, brother. Woo! Let's go. We vibing, brother. Homie Unk brought out the classical three-wheeler, bro. Let's flip and go, bro. Rebuild the whole thing, right? Bro, I'm excited. It's been so long since I've seen you on this.
Milled the head, and then on the ride out we did in Jacksonville, the head studs came loose, sucked air, blew my crank.
Damn.
Instantly. Ran it way too lean. Damn.
Bro, look at this three-wheeler, bro. This is the classic. It's flipping street legal. Like how is this thing street legal, man?
It is.
I know it is. I don't know how it's possible, but this thing is just so beautiful, bro. And it's a freaking two-stroke, bro. Two-stroke three-wheeler. So badass, man. And you already know you're about to see Unk go crazy on it, bro. This is his baby right here, so. Bro, look at the classic three-wheeler. And we got a girl shedding a YZ125. Sheesh. Let's go. He's back. He's back, man. Let's go. Boy is flipping back. Yes, sir. Woo! That man got some power, bro. Oh, I love it, dude. Woo! Hey.
You got a sneaky power band right now.
Does it like feel more powerful?
Yeah, I changed the reed. Not changed it, but I replaced the reed.
It sounds like when you're on it, like sounds like it's kicking.
I gotta get used to it. Come on, jump on it.
Hey, but hey, I'm glad you're back, bro.
I was like, for mad long, I'm like, fuck.
Hey, she's shredded. She's killing it. That's tough, bro. That is tough. You usually run street tires or?
No, mine is dual sport.
The dual like that or?
No, that's a street tire. Mine is dual. Like it's there, but with the.
Like a hybrid almost.
No, it's not like that. Like the steel.
Yeah.
It's like that, like this.
Oh, okay. No, yeah, dirt tires are always want to pull like one way or the other.
That's why I take here though.
Yeah, take some air out.
Yeah.
Woo! The Honda CRF. Bro, this one's getting it today, dude. Just good vibes. Is he mad or? I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on there, bro. It just went down. Bro, I seen it in the distance. You probably won't be able to see it on the GoPro, but... Hey, what happened?
I had my hands off. I just
Oh, you doing no-hander?
pressing the brake. It didn't work.
Damn. You good, though? Oh, yeah. You ain't leaking, so the bike seems good.
Huh?
I said the bike ain't leaking anywhere, so you're good. Bro, I'm so stoked to see him back. Unk's back in his natural element, bro. Look at him. And we got the two-stroke Supermoto outside. Okay. That thing sounds like it's running better. Before it was a little boggy. Let's go. Oh my God. He's coming in right behind me, bro. Sheesh. Wait, a little no hand. A little no hand for the boys. Let's go.
Remember when you kick down?
Oh, yeah.
It starts here. When you kick down, these old bikes got a compression kick.
Okay.
That's how. Remember they always used to wind them
Yeah.
up and then they kick them. So when you kick down, my bike always starts on the second kick. So when you kick all the way down, don't only let it come up right here, and then it's a short kick. Boom. Don't let it come all the way back up.
So
it's here, boom, and then right here. Boom,
okay.
Boom. That's where people get it confused. It's a small kick.
Got it. Easy.
Just fucking ride it, dude. Don't worry about it.
Nah, I'll be careful. Bro, I'm on the three-wheeler and I'm scared as hell. It's so scary. The freaking wheel picks up, bro. Woo! You boys doing it. Let's go. Crap, dude. This is the scariest bike I'll probably ever touch. I can't see. Woo! It's been scary. Oh my God.
Anything dangerous is great.
Bro, it's scary when I'm on that shit.
Every gear though, if you want to punch this shit, just punch.
Yeah, I just stayed in second. I was too scared.
It just wants to ride.
Yeah, it definitely just wants to pop up.
Yeah, if you would have slammed third, you would have been like, just fucking chilling.
Alrighty gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a freaking fun day outside. Let's go. Stay motivated, stay disciplined. Shout out Unk for letting me ride this three-wheeler. Until next time, gang. Peace.